Have you ever wondered if we can build AI as powerful as today's top models, but without the colossal energy and computational costs? The race to create bigger and more capable language models often feels like a resource-intensive marathon, leaving a gap for more efficient, specialized alternatives. This is where a new model called HyperCLOVA X THINK enters the picture, offering a compelling answer by focusing on reasoning and efficiency, particularly for the Korean language. The researchers behind this model set out to build a top-tier reasoning AI that is both powerful and compute-friendly. To do this, they started with a massive foundation, training the model on a staggering 6 trillion words and symbols from high-quality Korean and English sources. Crucially, they enriched this dataset with specially crafted synthetic Korean data designed to sharpen the AI's logical reasoning abilities. The training itself was done in a clever 3-stage curriculum, which gradually expanded the model's attention span, allowing it to process and understand huge contexts of up to 128,000 tokens, roughly equivalent to a 250-page book. What truly sets this AI apart is how it was fine-tuned after its initial training. Instead of just rewarding it for getting answers right, the team used a method called reinforcement learning from verifiable rewards. This technique teaches the AI to provide a detailed rationale for its conclusions, almost like showing its work on a math problem. This makes the AI more transparent and trustworthy, as it can operate in either a concise answer mode or a detailed explanation mode. The results are impressive. HyperCLOVA X THINK performs competitively against other models of its size on a whole suite of benchmarks designed to test Korean language understanding. But the most stunning achievement came from a version of the model augmented with vision capabilities. This multimodal AI matched or even surpassed the performance of the mighty GPT-4.1 on the STEM section of the Korean college entrance exam, a benchmark known for its complexity. The real kicker is that it achieved these remarkable results using substantially less training compute than comparable models, proving that peak performance doesn't always require maximum power. Of course, no model is without its focus. HyperCLOVA X THINK is specialized for Korean and English, so its capabilities in other languages are not its primary strength. Looking ahead, the team plans to use techniques called pruning and distillation to create a smaller, lighter version of the model that will be open-sourced and friendly for businesses to adopt. This opens the door for a new wave of AI innovation built on a foundation that is both powerful and practical. This research makes us ask a critical question. Is the future of AI dominated by a few giant, general-purpose models, or will we see a flourishing ecosystem of highly efficient, specialized AIs leading the way in their respective domains? If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI research made simple.